Aiboan, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about the second part of the lesson. Let us enjoy our leisure through recreational games. Uh, Today we are going to about three main organized games, organized sports in our country. Those are volleyball, netball, and football. If we consider about volleyball is very special, and volleyball was started in Holyoke City in the United States of America. It was introduced to Sri Lanka by Robert Walter Camac. And also, while volleyball is the national game of Sri Lanka, it also one of the main games played in Sri Lankan schools. Males and females all over the world play volleyball. This shows you the volleyball court and the players. It's 18 meters long and 9 meters wide rectangular court, dividing the court into two halves by a net, which is 1 meter in width, tied on two poles with upper level at about 2.5 meters in height from the ground. Right. Then to play the game, each team consists of 6 players and they stand in the court on either side of the net. The players could hit the ball using any part of the body in order to send the ball over the net to the opposing team. Any mistake done by the team helps the opposing team to gain a point with the service. Okay. Then we can there are basic 6 skills in volleyball, and we can do some activities to train the footwork in volleyball. Those are running forward, backwards, left and right, galloping from side to side, doing the bow activity with more speed, galloping and galloping forward, backward, left and right. Make the student stand in a single line with 1 meter gap, and the last student gallops between the students in a zigzag manner to the beginning of the line. Those kind of skill activities we can do to train footwork. And also to handling volleyball, to necessary practice in handling volleyball can be done by along in pairs and with some group of students. Then activities like throwing the ball up and catching with both hands can be done along, bouncing the ball and catching when coming up, throwing the ball up and catching the ball while running forward, twisting the ball around the body. Those kind of activities can do along. And activities that can be done in pairs, passing in the ball between two by standing apart a short distance, passing the ball between two above the level of the head, standing back to back with legs apart, receiving the ball above the head, and passing it between the legs. One person passing the ball in different directions for the other to catch. These kind of activities we can do to practice the volleyball, hand work in the volleyball. Then we are moving to the next slide with the new sport. It's netball. Netball, also a very famous game in Sri Lanka. It was originated in America. Netball was introduced to Sri Lanka by Mrs. Jenny Green to Girls High School Kandy. Though this is a popular game among women, men also indulge themselves in this game. It is also one of the main games in Sri Lanka schools. Right? Then what are the facilities needed to conduct the game? What are the facilities? It is a court with 30.5 meter long and 15.25 meter wide rectangular court, 2 goal posts and a net ball with a according to correct measurement. And if we talk about how the netball can play, and there are basic 5 skills in netball. We have to practice them to develop the game. Then how to play the game, It's two teams, each consisting of 7 members, play the game. Players engage in the game by passing the ball. A point can be scored by shooting the ball through the ring in the goal post. When we talking about volleyball, we talk that to gain a point, it makes the mistakes done by opposing team to gain points in volleyball. But in this netball game, we have to shoot the ball through the goal post to get a point, right? What are the activities we can do to practice footwork? To develop this skill, we can do walk freely, running on the spot, running forwards and sideways and backwards, running sideways and left and right, running changing the directions. Those kind of activities we can use in use to develop our footwork. Then to handling the ball, activities can train. Correct way of handling the ball could be done along, in pairs, or in groups. Even in along, we can do some activities like passing the ball from hand to hand, throwing the ball up and catching it, bouncing the ball and catching it. Those kind of activities are can be done alone, and also in pairs, passing the ball between two by standing within a short distance, in pairs standing back to back and twisting the ball around the waist and passing, bounce the ball between two and catching it. And also with groups, we can do forming a single line as a group with equal distance and passing the ball to the back over the head from a circle with equal distance facing each other and passing the ball sideways. Those activities can use to practice netball skills. Then we are going to move to the next sport with a new slide. It's football. Football is the most popular sport in the world. We all know it. It's the most popular sport, and FIFA is the most popular sports festival in the world, right? It has improved by the Chinese, but it was British who helped to popularize it throughout the world. Introduced to Sri Lanka in 1911, and this game is known as football because the foot is mostly used to hit the ball. Most popular game in the world, and as I mentioned before, men as well as women engage in this game. One of the main games in Sri Lanka schools. What are the facilities needed to conduct the game? A rectangular playground which is 90 meter in length and 45 meter in width. 2 goal posts at either side and of the ground. And also a football. This is the football court. You can see football court is into correct measurement with a goal and a football, right? Then like the other games, we are talking about the how to play the game. It is played between two teams, each consisting of 11 members. Players engage in the game by exchanging the ball with their feet, and a goal is scored by kicking the ball, right? What are the activities we can practice to develop the skills in this game? There are basic 7 skills in football, right? Activities to develop skills: running forward by increasing and decreasing the speed, running while changing the direction, to handle the ball. We can practice by keeping the ball down and kicking it slowly with the front foot, outer foot, inner foot and heel. Kicking the ball slowly and taking it forward. Arrange row of cones with the gap of equal distance and kick the ball slowly in between, controlling the ball to take it forward, and use zigzag method also we can develop. And these are the basic things in this lesson about these 3 main sports. I hope you all have get a good clarification about the lesson. So this for today. Study this with your textbooks and you will have a good clear idea about the lesson. Thank you.